Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting rumors surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 6. This new action camera is generating a lot of buzz with leaks and speculations about its features and improvements. From potential product line splits to enhanced battery capacity, there's plenty to look forward to. We'll cover all the exciting details and explore what makes the DJI Osmo Action 6 a potential game-changer in the action camera market. Ready to dive into the details? Let's get started. Rumors are swirling about a new DJI Osmo Action 6 camera, though the source isn't very reliable. Despite this, the speculation has captured the attention of many in the tech community. DJI might be planning to split its product line into a premium action camera and a cheaper model. This approach could broaden their market reach, catering to both high-end and budget-conscious consumers. The rumored release date for the DJI Osmo Action 6 is spring 2025. This seems early, especially considering the recent launch of the Action 5 Pro. However, it aligns with some industry expectations. The new camera is expected to have the same 1950 mAh battery capacity as the Action 5 Pro. This consistency suggests DJI aims to provide the same reliable battery performance in their new model. DJI has filed for FCC registration, possibly to stay ahead of potential regulatory challenges in the USA. This proactive move could ensure the new camera meets all necessary standards. The DJI Action 5 Pro has already established itself as a strong competitor to the GoPro Hero 13. The rumored Osmo Action 6 would need to offer significant improvements to enhance DJI's position in the market. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is generating a lot of excitement with its rumored features. From a potential product line split and improved battery capacity to advanced performance specs and regulatory preparations, there's much to look forward to. While the exact details are still unclear, the buzz suggests significant upgrades in the action camera market. Let us know your thoughts about these rumors in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and reviews on the latest tech.